welcome back. We're wrapping up that conversation of how banking and technology have merged and where perhaps this will be next on the African continent. Eve, just to finalize the conversation, perhaps tell Kenyans, what is it that Leo as an artificial intelligence BFF can do, cannot do? You know, we've talked about what they're able to do, but what can they not do?
Okay. So what Leo cannot do is, if you're doing large transactions, then you'll have to come to the bank. So we've put a cap of 100,000. So any transaction above 100,000 would require you to come to the banking hall to then now make that transaction. Why? Because we want to protect your money. We want to ensure that no fraud happens. So what we do is, you're able to do anything less than 100,000. What else can Leo not do? Currently, Leo cannot tell you which hospital to visit. Yeah, but we are working on it. So as a techie product, we continue revamping and enhancing it. So currently, for your banking transactions, that's just the part that Leo cannot do.
Right.
Yeah, and you can't borrow a loan currently. If you want to borrow a loan, you have
Leo.
to, yes, through Leo,
Okay.
you have to come to the banking hall to apply for the loan.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Wilson, would you say that also technology has helped to break down or rather shorten the bureaucracy link of where I wanted to open an account today, I have to literally be in the presence of a banking, of my bank?
You are spot on, Cinzi. You find most of the technology in the market right now, you'd have to have visited the branch to open an account. But Leo has changed all this. It's a game changer. Today, you just get into either through your phone to the Facebook Messenger. You are taken through an account, simple step of account opening process, and you get your account number there and then. And this is the first one whereby you can literally be able to open an account without visiting any bank branch, and the account becomes active. You can deposit money, your salary can be paid into it, people can also credit money into it, and through Leo, you can be able to transact, move money to another account, or move money to a mobile wallet, like Airtel money, or do whatever you want with your money as it is in the bank account. So, and then as it does that, it continues to engage you artificially. So it's not a mechanical kind of process. It is a very interactive forum, yes.
It's user-friendly.
Very user-friendly.
Okay, so Eve, generally speaking, do you see Kenyans all the way down level to Mama Mboga, Paul, my piki guy, perhaps using artificial intelligence in banking?
Yes, yes. Why? Because then that's where everybody is moving. Okay. And so what will happen is Mama Mboga is on Facebook. Paul is on Facebook. And that means that anybody on Facebook can use AI. So what's going to happen is if I want to do my banking and I'm on Facebook, then I just switch and go to Leo and do my banking. So we're opening up this space for everybody. There's no limit to anybody who can use Leo. And if I may mention, you don't have to be a UBA customer to use Leo. Anybody can use Leo. You can chat with Leo whether you have an account or not. So it's open to everybody and any industry.
All right.
Everybody.
One would say in that case, there's Google. There's Siri that can also tell me how the weather is doing, what route to use, where to avoid any traffic. So why Leo in that sense, in that regards?
But then remember, for you to use Google, to use Siri, you have, if you're on Facebook, you come out. Most of the times, what we're doing is we are going to your space on social media. We are coming to you. So like for instance, Leo is coming to WhatsApp. So when you're on WhatsApp, you don't have to come out of WhatsApp to do your banking. So we're there, we're coming to you, we are following you where you are. So every space you are on, we won't come to there. But you see, for Google, Siri, I have to come out of social media, go to Google. True?
Yeah.
So we're following you wherever you are.
Wilson, I really want to dig up your creative mind on banking here on the African continent as your closing remarks, where you see it going.
Africa has got a very youthful population. Comparative to other continents. And these are very creative minds. They are always exploring new things. They want to, to have the cutting edge beyond everyone else. And, interacting with them is amazing, the ideas that they do have. And therefore, I see Africa taking a lead in technology in the coming, years, and it has already started, because most of the things which are happening in this country, including the LEO, it is just a proof that Africa has taken the lead, and now you will find the other people coming to try and find out what it is that is happening.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Wilson Kamau, the head of digital banking at UBA, and of course Evelyn Nangari, the head of brand management, really helping us understand how technology and banking fuse together with the introduction of AI. Michael, this is a whole new, should I say, phenomenon.
Absolutely, and interesting. Just listening to your conversation, and I think, like I mentioned earlier, your phone literally has become everything that you need now, including your bank. But I'm looking at time. I don't know where the names come from. There's Leo, there's Samantha when it comes
Siri,
to AI,
yeah.
Siri. So I'm looking forward to keeping a teach or Diambo, coming up at some point as technology continues to advance. But there you go. Time waits for no man, and even right here on Morning Express, as much as we'd like to continue, time has, got us to the point where we say, Kilicho na mwanzo hakikosi mwisho. So from us right here on Morning Express, we wish you all a fantastic day. My name is Michael Gitonga. Do have yourselves a good day. God bless.